Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a Snapchat geofilter on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the social media path section you can find the Snapchat geofilter option. Select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete this text and you can write your own text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add the images to your project, go to the photos section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search photos, and the upload section you can upload images from your device. In the animation section you can search different animation which you can add to your project, and if you're in the object section you can find different objects. For example, click to the ice cream, you can move and you can edit the size. In the music section you can find different music. For example, click to the summer button, and if you want to add the song, click to the plus icon, and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.